Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you? Welcome to Find Your Mate.
Okay, thank you.
Please tell us something about your work experience.
Presently, I was working here in the Marina Mall of Mandato. I experienced some day. I was a waitress for 3 years. Looking back in my experience, I was nurse graduate of nursing 8 years old. Um, I took care of an elderly woman who was suffering from diabetes for 2 years. And also, I worked for 4 months Davao Medical Center as a nursing assistant.
Okay, and how about your previous job here in UAE?
My very previous job was a waitress in a beauty coffee shop, and I just finished my contract last month, August 9th.
Okay, and why you're looking for a new employer and find another job?
To try to try a new challenging job.
And how much salary are you looking for?
My previous salary was 2,500, and I'm fine with that.
Okay, and why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve 2,500?
Because since I am a medical field and I have some experiences
Okay, are you married or single?
here.
Do you have any kids?
So,
Okay, I will now ask you questions about different situations you may encounter while on the job, okay?
okay,
The baby is non-stop crying, what will you do?
just let him be. Just let her cry.
And aside from that, if she's non-stop crying,
That kind, then ask, ask her or him what like.
and how do you know if the baby got sick?
That means if there's how um, that the temperature is above normal and they are always crying and
Mhm.
uh, that's it.
Okay, if the employer is not in the house and the baby got sick, what will you do?
Home remedy and I will call the parents to inform them that baby is sick for them to know also.
In cooking, do you have any specialty?
So,
But are you willing to learn?
yeah,
Okay, how about cleaning the house?
yeah, I love cleaning house. I love cleaning
Which area do you usually start working in?
um, in kitchen
And then,
and then visit to the room.
okay, why do you think you should be hired?
I can say that my experience qualified.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.